Good morning, everybody. It is August the 30th, 2016, and we're about to wrap up another month of trading. Unfortunately, this is the last week of the summer before September starts, and vacation is in full force, which means we're probably looking at trading range markets. One of the things that happens in a trading range market is that markets are down, then they rally. So if we fail to take out the 132 level this morning, then my guess is we're probably going to test at least the 16 to 20 area. So right now everything is pointed higher. The overnight session high is 32, so we'll have a 31 to 03 sell, 7 to 11 sell 2. On the buy side, open it up a little bit, 17 to 21, see support at 16 to 20. On the idea that maybe 132 will be tested early and hold, then 9 to 13 for buy 2. The news this morning, Case-Shiller up 1/10 for the month, 5.1 year on year. We're reading all sorts of price collapses in all sorts of markets right now. Then consumer confidence at 97.3. That's a big number. That one can come in lower than forecast. So I've got a trading range market slant this morning. We'll see if it happens. I think we can retest the overnight sessions highs. But if we don't, that idea will even be more reinforced. Okay, looking at the 30-year, 72, 72.04 will be our first little band. So stops above 172.04. Sell 1 will be 7 to 11, and then sell 2, 19 to 23. On the buy side, we've got support at 20 to 24. So 13 to 17 allows them to retest the overnight session low. And then 1 to 5 for buy 2. Gold was pretty quiet. Probably going to be quiet most of the week unless we get an obvious piece of news. Found resistance. We still haven't made it up to our 29 level, so we'll just kind of keep our numbers where they are. 28 to 30, 34 to 36. Could be looking at a $4 or $5 range early for this market too. Definitely dealing with a B, so give it a little room to the downside. 19 to 21, buy 1. 15 to 17, buy 2. So 15 to 20 support, 28 to 30 resistance. Dollar gained a little strength overnight. Tabor, I'm turning your mic off. Be sure to turn your mic off, when you come in the room. Otherwise, we hear stuff that you may not want us to hear. Okay, looking at the euro, we like the sell side of the market. 112 was the area that we wanted to sell yesterday. It took forever to get there. The overnight session stopped at 112. We're at 76 right now, so 112, sell 1. 15 to 25, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make 111.50, buy 1. And 11 and a quarter, buy 2. Economic news out of Europe showed Italian retail sales down. The Swiss KOF economic indicator down. Great Britain's individual loan number was down. So again, it supports a softening European economy. Deflation and weak economies are what the central banks are trying to, I guess, forestall would be a more accurate description. And what they don't really address is their tax policy and their industrial policy, their rules and regulations. That's what's killing the economy. One of my daughters, all her manufacturing is pretty much exclusively in China. And what she has to go through to get something almost made like they agreed upon is just amazing. So any company that does not have to produce in China won't. But when you look at all the rules and regulations and everything that go in the United States, it's not too difficult a decision to locate a plant outside of the United States these days. And that's a shame. Okay, just looking at this structurally, you can see that the seller is really 48 to 48.50. And we've got a buyer at 46.50. And crude covers about a $2 range. So we're trying to trade higher right now. 47.50, 47.75, sell 1. 48, 48 and a quarter, sell 2. The API inventory report is tonight. And the EIA number is tomorrow. I'd probably hit it pretty much where we're trading right now. 46.75, 47, buy 1. 46 even, 46 and a quarter, buy 2. Okay, E-mini rallied with some strength yesterday. Slow grind up, just never any retracement. I believe we're in a trading range market, so if we fail to take, we're in the same situation. 80 to 85 is resistance. We're at 78 right now, so getting stops above the overnight session. 80. I believe they can do that, so we'll put our first sell at 80 to 82. And then 84, 89. It's just very, very difficult playing this market. I mean, you buy or sell the opening, and then you have to be right. That is usually the trade of the day. 74, 76 allows them to get stops below the overnight session low on the last rotate down yesterday, so that's buy 1. And buy 2 will be 70 to 72. Rallied it yesterday. Looks like we're in a trading range market. Maybe they'll sell it today. I don't have a strong feeling. Probably like everybody else out there coming in this morning. Well, let's see what the market's going to do before we do anything. So my guess is that our brothers in the exchange member community will drive most of the trading today. Okay, going to take a while to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be back with you as soon as possible.